Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you a delicious recipe for stuffed beef roll with minced chicken, and it's real simple to make. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's start cooking. 1 kilo beef cut into thin beef steaks. Some salt and pepper over the meat. Hammer the meat so that the seasoning will be absorbed well. For the filling, I'm using mince of 2 chicken breast, that is 400 grams. In that add some salt. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. A small piece of ginger. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and set it aside. Grate a lemon zest on the meat for a nice citric flavor. Add the minced chicken, spread it evenly. Add a bunch of onion leaves. Spread it all over. A tablespoon of red chilli flakes, increase or decrease according to your liking. Now roll the beef tightly or else the stuffing might come out. Tuck the extras and secure it with a thick thread. Trim off the extras. Season the outside meat with some salt and pepper. Rub the seasoning well. Use a heavy bottom pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the meat in the pan. Bring the flame to medium heat and fry them for 10 minutes. When the meat changes its color, remove them from the pan. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Saute this for a minute. One onion finely chopped. Saute it for a minute or two. Add potatoes, carrots and turnip cut into big pieces. Saute for a few minutes. Some salt and a tablespoon of red chilli flakes. Mix well. Place the meat on top of the veggies. Add a liter of chicken stock. Cover the pan. Let it cook on low flame for an hour or until the meat is tender. Meat is cooking for an hour. Let's check to see if it's ready. Meat is perfectly cooked. Remove the meat from the pan. Carefully remove all the veggies from the gravy. Strain the gravy for a silky smooth consistency. Wow, looks appetizing. Cut into medium slices. To try this stuffed beef roll and share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.